Right, fall is officially here, and that means it is the season of cute curly hairstyles. I'm gonna show you guys today how I did this style. I love a classic half up, half down. I think it complements curly hair the most, and I love to do different variations. So today I wanna show you guys how I do this zigzag side part, make the half up, half down interesting using As I Am's Rosemary collection. And I have been on a hair growth journey. This was my hair in 2023, and this is my hair now, 2 years later. So I've been focusing a lot on hair growth. So this collaboration could not have come at a better time because there are so many ingredients in this line that promote hair growth and help to reduce hair thinning and hair loss. So, I mean, if I could use great products that are contributing to my hair health and helping my hair growth journey, I'm all for it. So thank you As I Am for partnering with me on today's video. Let's go back in time so I can show you guys step by step how to get this half up, half down style. Let's get into styling this cute curly hairstyle. So I'm gonna use this to dampen my curls because I need to do a little refresh. So the curls are a little stale. I'm gonna use the rose water. Oh my god, this smells so good. The rosemary water, and then add in some regular water, but I wanna put the rosemary one first so that this actually gets absorbed into my hair strands and I can actually benefit from the ingredients. And now I'm gonna go in with some water. I really want the curls to pop when I'm doing my half up, half down, so giving it a really good refresh and adding a lot of water. I'm gonna use the Tangle Teaser brush. This is just what I've been reaching for lately. Now, if you like the smell of rosemary, you are really gonna love this line. I love a nice medicinal herby smell. It may not be for everyone. Maybe medicinal is not the right word to describe it. Medicinal, but in the best way possible. Just so comforting to me. I detangled this part. Now we're gonna do the second half. This is looking a lot better, a little more manageable for our slick back half up, half down. Now I'm gonna add in the leave-in conditioner for some extra moisture in my hair for the next few days. I feel like it's almost a full circle moment that As I Am reached out to partner because I was using their curly jelly. I'm gonna insert a picture. It was like before they kind of redid their branding. It was the dark brown. I feel like they were known for their dark brown packaging before, and that's how I knew them. I used to use their curly jelly like back in 2015, 2014, 2016, around there. And somewhere along the way, we just disconnected, I guess. So it feels good to be reintroduced to the brand. I feel like they're doing a lot of great things and they have like some great products that are also affordable. Now, I'm really impressed by this collection because they have some great ingredients. As I mentioned, I'm on a hair growth journey. So rosemary is scientifically backed to be good for hair growth. I love that as someone who has a little bit of a background in science and research. An ingredient that stuck out to me was the saw palmetto. First of all, I had never heard of that. So when I was looking into it, I was like, what is this? So what I'm doing here is trying to evenly create two sides so that these parts can go and be tucked behind my ear. So saw palmetto, it blocks DHT, which is a hormone linked to hair loss. And I know about that because I used to take pumpkin seed oil pills because that pumpkin seed oil also blocks DHT. So if you have hormonal hair loss, that would be really helpful in preventing hair loss. So I'm gonna break down what I just did. So I started off with doing a part that's just cutting across the front of my head, kind of like a zigzag. Here's the middle, and now I have a piece here because it's gonna, let's pretend this doesn't exist. So we have two pieces at the front. We have one here, and we have one here. But the whole idea is to try to create that zigzag. Wrap her up. We're gonna take these pieces and we're going to slip them down like this. I'm gonna start with the wax stick. I love a wax stick so much. These are one of my favorite slick back products in general because one, they're easy to travel with, and then two, I don't know, just not having to get my fingers messy, like just applying it. Whoever came up with that, genius. And then I'm also getting beneficial ingredients in my wax stick. Yes. Front pieces down. So this is the front. Do you guys see the vision yet? It's just coming along. Now we just need to do our half up. It's cute. I'm tucking this away so I don't have to worry about it. Now let's add a little bit more definition to the curls. I'm gonna add a bit more water back in here. For it to dry up a bit. And now let's use this mousse before I brush style my curls a little bit. So I'm gonna split this bottom part in two, so it's a little bit easier to work with. I'm gonna use my Denman brush. I'm not gonna be too particular about separating them too much. Again, mostly focusing on the ends. This is the best feeling. It's so therapeutic. Like seeing that frizzy mess be transformed slowly into such a cute style brings me so much satisfaction. Like it itches an area in my brain. And now I'm just gonna do a little scrunchie. Look how laid down this is. I added one more swoop of the wax to hold down the front now that I'm completely done and shouldn't be messing about anymore. And guys, like the wax is the only thing I used. I didn't put any other gels or anything on top of it, and the way it's holding down is like the hold is amazing. I love this wax. Okay, this is every curly girl's wax stick dream, 100%. And I'm not just saying that. Now that the curls have been defined, I do like to finish things off with a diffuser, and I find that my curls look better once they've been dried a little bit. Let's diffuse very quickly. I'm gonna avoid the top areas, but just focus at the bottom here. Is the final look. We are in our mermaid era. But this style is just so cute and classy and just really put together. In my opinion, it's one of my favorites. I also love this style because there's not too much tension on your edges. So since we're brushing the hair down and only the small section at the front and we're just tying it in the back, that doesn't even have to be too tight, just, you know, just enough to hold it back. And then we're only kind of pulling back this top part. We are reducing how much tension we have and we are saving our edges. Made it through the end of the video when I noticed I had makeup all on my turtleneck. So if you saw that, no you didn't. Turtleneck for fall, hair pulled back, sleeked down. This is just, it's so cute. I love it so much. Let me give you another close-up of the part. So I literally just cut through and then we went back here. Thank you again to As I Am for partnering with me. First sponsor of the channel. Side note, like, isn't that crazy? Like, such a full circle moment. Now they're partnering with me to make a video. Super, super exciting. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Let me know if you tried this style or anything similar. I would love to hear your thoughts. Bye.